Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine on Huawei MatePad 11.5 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using this search engine, and now you can click on the three dots icon, go to settings, click on search engine option, and now in recently visited you should have yep.com. So select that and go back, and as you can see, now my search engine is now set to yep.com. So that is for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.